Good morning, everyone. In today's class, again, I will teach you about files. And Nishal, what was my last lecture? What I have taught you in my last class? Can you tell me?
Binary files.
Key definition. And actually, I have given you some definition of text files. And I told you about two types of text files. Okay. So one is your regular text files, the another is delimited text files, and then delimited text files are TSV, that is tab separated values, and next is, let me pin myself, and the next is your delimited, this one CSV, that is commonly used is CSV files, and when you get the save as option, there you see the CSV file. Many databases are stored in the form of CSV. Tables are stored in the form of CSV. This much point is clear. So binary file I have given definition, but I will not teach you anything. Now once you are learning a file, you should be aware of this point. I always give real life example while teaching programming part. Now I'll ask you one thing, Nishal, or Parth, or anyone, Kevin. Like I ask you to read something from your book. What will be the first step you will do? Any of you? What is your first step to read something from your book? Say quickly. We are having interactive class.
Open the book.
Open the book. Correct answer. Now, once you have completed the reading part or the class is over, what do you do? Give answer. Close the book. So these are the two basic things with the files also. The file has to be opened before we work on it. Either you open a book, either you open a register, reading and writing. For both purpose, you have to open your book or copy, whatever you say. If your copy is having some material, you can open the copy and read it. Or you can open the copy to write it. And sometimes you have to read and write both the work. We do or not? You tell me.
Yes, sir.
Sometimes we read only, sometimes we write only, and sometimes we read and write on both. So what I am going to teach you in the programming part, first and foremost, we have to open a file. Once the work is completed, either reading, writing, or writing both, we have to close the file. Okay. So ab isi point where we are going to this. Opening and closing files. My point is clear to you? Show thumbs up. जो मैं पढ़ाना चाह रहा हूँ, it's very clear to you or not? Okay. Parth, should I explain it more, beta? Otherwise, you show thumbs up. Are you there, Parth? Yes. Okay. Opening and closing files. Now you write in this. In order to work with a file within a Python program, we need to open it. We need to open it in a specific mode. In a specific mode. The most basic tasks are reading, writing, adding, modifying, or deleting data in a file. Python provides built-in function open to open a file. Now I will show you the prototype also, how it works. File, new. So when you have to open, remember it, we write agar A is equals to, or suppose I write file, W file, any name, this is an identifier. And then we write the function open. After that, we give the file name. Okay, and file name also given with path slash file name. And then we give an extension. Then we,
So screen is not shared.
okay, thank you for telling this. I will share screen. You should immediately say that's why you are not muted. Okay. After, is shared now? It's shared. Okay. W file is equals to open path file name txt, and after that extension, and then we have to give a mode. Example I will give immediately so that it come to you. If I write W file is equals to open, and then I write text 1.txt, this is the extension, and then I'm using this file in read mode or write mode W karenge. So this is an example, and that top one was a prototype. ये हो गया for example. Please note down.
Sir,
Yes,
sir, what is the full form of EXT?
text extension.
Okay, sir.
Any extension full लिख दो बेटा. Normally 3 characters in DOS. Windows gives you more. ext I have written extension. txt text. You can also write text, that Windows gives you a feature. Extension limit is by default is 3. That is from the DOS, but Windows and other operating system, you can, even our programming, we can define any name, any extension. It's up to us. Mode is clear. अब mode आइएगा, mode पढ़ाएंगे. Now you write. Now suppose this file you want to store in E drive. So what you have to write E / and suppose you want to save in my folder. So Raza, sir, and then // So this file will go, otherwise it will go to the default folder of Python where all other programs are stored. The default is well okay, because sometime we need some files to run. So it's better the file is in default folder. Otherwise, suppose the file is very important for you, database, and you want to store in your folder only, you can do that, no problem. Point is clear, this path part. ये स्लैश बैकस्लैश होता है, स्लैश करते हैं बैकस्लैश. Okay, now we will come to the next point. अब बुक में तो बहुत कुछ लिखा है. The event given 3 file open statement. What is file object? This is known as file object. ये जो W file है, it is a file object. Variable name है identifier. Simple. We call it as file object. Object is an identifiable entity which has some characteristics and behavior. ये definition होती है object की. But we are not going for the truly object-oriented programming, so I will not go in detail of it. So just you remember that W file is an object. अगर object की definition लिख लिया तो लिख लो. Object is an identifiable entity which has some characteristics and behavior. This is a function, a built-in function, open, which is used to open a file. Now new file is there to open for writing the data, and if file already exists and you want to read it, that means it will open the same file where the data is written. The file name given with the open has to be same, otherwise data will not open. ये तो understood सी बात है. Okay. with file we give different types of mode. So I'll come directly now to file mode. एक पॉइंट और लिख लेना नोट करके, फाइल ऑब्जेक्ट्स बुक में लिखा है तो लिखवा देते हैं. फाइल ऑब्जेक्ट्स आर यूज्ड टू रीड एंड राइट डेटा टू अ फाइल ऑन डिस्क. राइट इट. File objects are used to read and write data to a file on disk. File object is also called file handle. Enough. Come to next point. कुछ पॉइंट्स है जो बाद में डिस्कस करेंगे बट अभी वेट करो. फाइल एक्सेस मोड्स. This mode I have written is known as file access mode. When Python opens a file, बेटा समझाने में it takes time. Writing program तो just 2-line program I will write and my work will be over. But I want to explain files thoroughly. It's very important concept for your future. Remember that. If you are going for computer science or learning computer science in your future, this file part is very important for you. Remember that. So that's why I'm taking time, and as you know, in your examination term 1, files is included. That's why I have started files. Chalo, ab baatein kam and baat zyada. When Python opens a file, it needs to know the file mode. When Python opens a file, it needs to know the file mode in which the file is being opened. In which the file is being opened. File modes supported by Pythons are, अब वो automatically आएगा. File modes are used for this purpose, this purpose, this. So this is chart I'm giving. Okay. File modes just a minute. I will just pause for a minute. Wait for it. Now listen. File modes, right? If you can make a table like given in the book, you can, or you just write it. So for your convenience, I will just write few of them here. Like you give the heading here, text, file mode. Okay. Text, file mode, and then you take binary file mode. This I will teach you later. Binary file mode. याद रखना, CSV basically is a text file. Description. Okay. So notes कुछ देना है तो इसी description में कर लेंगे, कोई दिक्कत नहीं. So we'll come to the next point here. Text file mode. Suppose I am writing R. This can be written in single quotes, double quotes, triple quotes, as you wish. And once you are using the binary mode, it should be RB, read binary. Okay. Description में लिख देते हैं read only. और ये है by default. ये default mode है. अगर आपने mode नहीं भी लिखा तो by default it will take R, that is read mode, according to the file binary or text. तो binary file वर्क करें उसमें नहीं है तो by default RB होगा, and text file में नहीं करते तो by default R होगा. Next is your W, small ही है, single, double quotes, triple quotes, anything you can do. Then you have to write here WB, binary, write binary. And this is for write only. It is not default, so I'll not write default. Next is your A mode. And it is your, here it is AB. B means binary, okay? AB. A means append. Append का मतलब अभी समझा देते, note it down, description में append used to add more records in a file. Used to add more records in a file. Next is your R plus. Spell R plus. And here it will be R B plus. That is, plus means here read and write. Priority is given first read and write. Both way, binary or different. Are you getting my point? Please show some thumbs. नहीं तो मैं पढ़ाता चला जाए, मुझे पता नहीं चल रहा. So these are the different modes which we will use, and explanation I'm clearly giving as given in the book also. Next is your same way W and maintain notes. I am putting my effort, you also put effort. Write in copy, don't take only screenshots. Exam this time you have to give a theoretical exam. Write and read. उल्टा है मगर मीनिंग वही है कि पहले राइट एंड देन रीड, कॉन्सेप्ट में है, बट यूज फॉर बोथ पर्पस. Either you use R plus or W plus. Next is your A plus. A plus. यहाँ पे I have forgotten to write B, so please write B. And here you write A, B plus. B for binary, A for append, add more records. So that stands for read and add more records. File is created if not exist. ठीक है. If exist, writes record, write record, create record, write लिख देता हूँ, write record at the end of file, end of file, EOF, end of file. मतलब suppose we are having 1, 2, 3, 4 records. So if not created, then first record is written right from beginning of the file. But once 4 records are there, so at the end of file is, suppose you are having in your copy 4 pages written. So what is the end of your file? End of the 4th page. That is beginning of the 5th page. This point is clear? बेटा फाइल से इसको हाँ ना give response. Okay. So file exist करती है, then it will check the end of file. And suppose 4 records are written, then it will reach to the end of 4 record, that is end of file. And from there onward, it will write record. So that 5th record is there, 6th is there, 7th and so on, जितने records चाहिए. पहले वाले 4 is also exist, and after that another records also exist. That's okay. Now last point which I am taking, this is the last point. Okay. This can also be written as, here I am taking, this can also be written as or A plus B. A plus B. This can also be written as Sabhi, all, or R plus B. That is correct, no problem. Or this can be written as W plus B. W plus B. Point is clear? So I will keep my class till this point only. What's the time? Because I have to go and take another class immediately. So point is 100% clear. एक point और लिख लो, last point. Closing files. Closing files. An open file is closed by the function close. By the function close. An open file is closed by the function close, close. So what we write it here while closing, we write, suppose we are having W file, so we'll write, what is W file? Object. So whatever the object is there, which is file handle also, object dot close, also known as file handler also. So it's written in the handle, so I'm using the word handle, otherwise handler also you can say. Object dot close, W file dot close. This is the example. So अब you write it one more line, one or two more lines. Closing a file is important in Python. Closing a file is important in Python. Files are closed automatically at the end. But to boost the performance, to boost the performance and to avoid unexpected errors or to protect data, it's better to close files. So these are the reasons to close the files. Hopefully the point is clear to you. Noted everything? Noted. Just a minute. Better all the points which I have discussed just now is clear to you, because in next class most probably I will start the programming part. So till now you have understood why to open a file, why to close a file, and what are the different modes. When you read, please pay attention. अब भूलना नहीं जो मैं last time बता रहा हूँ. When you open a file in R mode, you cannot write data. आप पूछोगे क्यों? Because see, sometime we have to only see our results. I like CBSE, you see the result. That time you are not supposed to edit the file, or you cannot add one more record in it, or add something else, or modify it. Second point is write, W mode. W mode is only for write. That means suppose a data entry operator is there, he is supposed to only write data. So for that purpose only W mode is used. Now suppose you have written 10 data and next day you want to add 10 more data. So therefore that 10 records you can say. So for that purpose we use append mode. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 I have entered today. Now I want to enter 10 more records tomorrow or after 1 hour, whatever it is. So I will close file and go. So if I'll open, please pay attention to this point. If I'll open again in W mode, it will start writing the record from the beginning of the file. So what is the disadvantage of it? All the previous records are deleted, erased. So that's why we use append mode. When you have to write and read both simultaneously, then for that purpose you have to use plus, that is R plus or W plus mode or A plus mode. Clear to you? So I will keep my class till this point. Next class I will teach you more on this topic, especially, and of course to next class I will start programming part. Take care of yourself. We'll meet in the next class. Till then, goodbye. Have a nice day.